Welcome to Learn Funnel System. In this video, I am going to show you how you can actually add a VA or a coworker or someone so that you can give access to your System.io dashboard so that you can collaborate with each other and work together on projects or creating automations or setting up your funnels. So if you want to give like a third party access, let's see how it's done. For that, all you need to do is go to your profile here and go to click on the settings, and then you can click on the workspace member here, and you can invite your friend or your virtual assistant by giving their email address here. For example, I will just give an email address just like this, and an invitation will be sent to their email address. For example, they will get an email like this to join the workspace. If you like click on this link, you will be like accepted. So that's how you give access to someone, and you can also go here and edit the role. You can give them access. The admin will have the ability to see your contact list, or you can just give the assistant the role here, and you can click on save depending on the access that you want to give. And if I just refresh it, as you can see, there is a tick mark. That means it's confirmed that the person accepted the request. So that's how you give access to a third party to help you with your funnels or your business. When your assistant accepted your invitation, and now they will have the ability to switch between different workspace just like this. So they'll have this option to switch between their workspace and your workspace so that they can work on the projects. So now we'll look at what are the different access that's granted when you assign them as an assistant. Assistant can work on the workspace owner data. That is, they have the same access as the workspace owner. Specifically, assistants have access to the following features from your workspace. They can see the contacts. Assistants cannot see the full list of contacts, but they can search for a specific contact by using the email filter. So they can use an email filter and then they can see the contact, but they cannot see your full contact if they are not using that filter. So assistants also cannot see the full list of transactions, but they can search for specific transaction for a given customer by their email address. So if they want to search for anything specific, they can see that transaction details. And also assistants cannot see the full list of subscriptions, but can search for a specific customer by their email address. So if they have like an email address, then they can see their like specific subscription and transaction. So when you want to give them admin access, right? So when you give your assistant admin access, they'll have these additional abilities. So they will be able to invite other assistants to join your workspace. So they'll have that functionality as well, and have access to your entire account, including sales, all contacts, transaction, etc. So admin access gives them a lot more options. So be careful what role you are giving them, and make sure that you are giving the proper access. For most of the VAs, I think we will only have to give them the assistant access only if you want to give them the full access, and if you're okay with them seeing your full email address or full transaction details, then only give them the admin access. So that's some important points that you need to keep in mind. And for some strange reason, if you don't want your assistant, then you can easily go to the settings, and you can go to the workspace member, and you can also delete by clicking this three dot button and just click on the confirm, and the assistants will be deleted. So that's how you control third-party access to your System.io dashboard. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe more for future videos. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.